Hi, my name is Alyssa Jazwa, and I'm an information science student at the University of South Florida, Tampa. I decided to do my e-portfolio on a website called Weebly. I am very familiar with its editing capabilities and was very excited to utilize it for this project. I did use a preset template for this with a few different edits to it here and there. I included all the different tabs on the top right so it'd be accessible and clean to look at. Now, if you scroll down this introduction page, you'll see that I included a little about me section. It includes where I'm at with my education, as well as a couple of my favorite things, including my cats, a couple of my hobbies, as well as a few other interests that I have. If you click to learn more, you'll see that it'll take me to my resume page. Now, this is also accessible by clicking the resume on top, but I decided to put a few different link buttons on different parts of the pages, just to make navigation quicker. There's my objective, my education from high school until now, as well as a few of my skill sets, including a Microsoft Office specialist, a customer service specialist, as well as a few different aspects of my coding experience, including my experience working with languages such as HTML, Python, Java, and C++. I include a link here to my website that I coded from scratch, but right now we're going to go to the My Work section, and that's going to show you another link to that same website that I coded from scratch, my Blogspot button, as well as a link to my Contact Me page. A few other things I put on this page to display my work are one of my biggest papers I've ever written, the Data Mining and its Applications and Usage in the Modern World, which I believe is a great showcase of my writing skills, the project I did for AR and Art with my partner Zero Seminet, as well as an infographic I did for this class, which I found super clean and wonderful. Now, if I click this, you'll see the website that I made from scratch for another class. Has multiple links, etc., etc. However, I'm going to focus back on my e-portfolio, and you'll see that it has a link back to my blog page, which shows my post for the e-portfolio that's not finished yet. Now we're going to go back here, and you'll see this link goes to my Contact Me page. Although it's a little slow at the moment. I don't know why I did that, but we're just going to click right here, and it shows that we're going to go to a Get in Touch page. I put a phone number here as I wanted to make this e-portfolio feel like it would be a contact website for me, as well as a contact box where someone could type in a message for me with their email and it'll go straight to my inbox, which I found fascinating. As you can see, all these buttons are functioning on top, and it'll take us back right to my homepage. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of my e-portfolio, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.